So what is up, YouTube? We are out here in sunny San Diego. The weather finally got nice. We're out here chilling. It's a Saturday. Weather's perfect today. So what better day to start this project and get this thing going? Here we are right here, this 1969 VW bus, Westphalia. And then over here, we got the 1965 VW Beetle convertible. You can see that right there, but that's a project for another day. Today we're going to be working on this project. We're going to get this thing going. So today is day one. First thing we're going to do is we're going to move this bus. It doesn't run. And we're going to move it into my driveway so I can work on it. Pull the transmission, pull the engine out, and pull the transmission out so we can get this thing going. So that's what we're doing today. All right, folks? Cool. Okay, in order to get this project going, we need to move the bus from underneath this carport that I built, and we got to get it over there to my driveway. So I got enough space to back it up here. I'm going to push it, and then we are going to pull it with my truck all the way over here around this palm tree, around that blueberry tree, and squeeze it in between there and into the driveway. So let's get that going. Let's get this truck in position so I can tow the bus into position. So just a little bit about this bus. Ooh, I probably had this bus since 2000 and I want to say 2006, somewhere around there. And I've had it for a long time. 2006 was at 14 years at least now. And so I've done a lot of work on it, relatively speaking. I've done a lot of stuff to this bus. You can't really tell. It doesn't look like I've done much, but trust me, I have done a lot of work to this car. And over the last 2 years, it's basically just been sitting in my backyard and just nothing. So today we're going to get this project started. So I'm going to have my wife drive the Tacoma, and I'm going to drive the bus. Yes, sir.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, no dice. No dice. Okay, as you could see, we had some problem getting the bus unstuck because that dip in the ground made it difficult, and the low tire pressure didn't help either. So I used the truck to pull it out. Get it unstuck, so hopefully now I'll be able to push it. So let's try and see what happens.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2,
3.
This is for all the Westy wives having to deal with a rust bucket in your yard. If you want to get it out of your yard, don't be afraid to get your hands dirty.
2 more feet.
Okay.
2 more feet.
Whew, almost got it. Okay, go ahead a little bit. Slow. Wait. All right, go ahead. Slow. Okay, ready on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Woo! Did it. All right, we made it. We made it to the driveway. There it is, baby. All right, Westy lifers, Wolfgangers. Welcome to the Wolf Gang. We got the bus moved. So we took care of step 1 of this project, so we can check that off the list, which is the major first step. The next major step in this project is going to be remove the engine. Once we get the engine out, step 3 in this project is remove the transmission. And then once we get the tranny out, throw it in the back of the Tacoma, drive it up to Rancho Transmissions up in Rancho Cucamonga over here in California, and drop it off there so they can rebuild it, go back in a week or so and pick it up, bring it back down and throw it back in the bus. So hopefully you like this first part of the video. If you do, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Peace. Westy life. Look at this thing. A little bit of spider webs. Brand new tires.